Is Insta360 going to release a new GO 3 in the next few months? Well, I'm here to tell you, yes, you can expect Insta360 to be releasing their next action camera in their lineup, the GO 3. Hi all, Colin here. I have searched the dark web to try and find some information on if Insta360 are going to be releasing their next camera, the GO 3. And rumours are confirmed that the GO 3 will be released between March and April 2023. What will we get, I hear you ask? Well, we all know that the GO 2 can record up to 2K to 50 frames. Well, the rumours are true. We are getting 4K at 50 frames in the next GO 3. How amazing is that going to be? And also we'll be able to get higher frame rates for slow-mo, 2K at 120 and possibly 240. We also will be getting a wider dynamic range to be able to get those real dark shadows and the real bright highlight. A wider dynamic range can produce more details in lifelike images. The battery life will be increased so we can shoot longer than 15 minutes continuously with stabilization on the current GO 2. As for external storage, I think that's going to be the same. I can't really see them increasing it anymore. Otherwise, they're going to have to make this just a little bit bigger. But to keep it this perfect size, I think we're just going to stay with the 64. We will still have all the great features that the GO 2 gives us now. Flow state stabilization, can mount it anywhere, so tiny, and with a marvelous magnet on the back, and hands-free with the controller. Finally, we're going to get greater water resistance in the GO 3 so we can be able to take it to more extreme places. Well guys, that's all I can tell you today. So if you have liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I have some amazing videos coming up later on that you don't want to miss. Until next time guys, this is Colin from O'Colin out.